Hey guys, um, today I seen an awesome work of God, of kindness, of whatever source energy, whatever you want to call God. To me, God is like a water source that never stops, keeps giving. It's everything, it's life. Um, there was a woman walking down the hill today when I put my son on the bus, and she was having a hard time. I was looking. My son was walking with her because he seen her crying, and he walked down the hill with her. I don't know what was said, but then I went over to Dunkin' Donuts, and she said, "Your son made my day. He's an angel." And I says, "Thank you. He does have that gift." She was clearly upset. And then, you know, there was another woman, and I think her son, and, you know, the woman gave her a hug. Um, we all wanted to do something for her. She didn't have no money on her Dunkin' Donuts card. You know, I wanted to be a part of this, act of humanity. You know, I was a part of it. They bought her coffee. I bought her a sandwich. Something small, but I'm not saying this to toot my horn, but I'm just saying it was really profound to see this, and the woman mentioned how she just lost her son and her husband, and she was really struggling. Like I said, one of those uh, a guy and his mother, Spanish people, the woman gave her a nice warm hug. I spoke to her and I told her, it can't rain all the time because I've been there. Um, and I could be still in her shoes, you know, because with my decision making, I can ruin everything real quick. And I know that, and I gotta stay on top of that. But what I witnessed today was, it was beautiful. No, I didn't pull out my camera because I don't believe that's how acts of like doing God's work, doing humanity's work, whatever you want to call it. It was just a beautiful, beautiful moment that I got to be a part of, and it made me grateful. Um, yeah, um, let's treat each other better, and you know, like I said, sometimes it doesn't have to be a coffee, but the hug. The hug. This lady was crying when she got that warm hug. She was like really crying, and people consoled her, and it was just awesome. It really was. It was awesome. I would love to see more of it, but you know, kind people exist, and you know, we are the same. He said this. We are all the same. We are all brothers and sisters. And I believe that too. I just wanted to share that moment, you know. Have a good day, guys.